So what's up, fam, and thank you for tuning in to the first episode on the Porque Fast channel. I really appreciate it. So the project we're going to be undertaking is we are building a CRX to be a Lamborghini killer out on the time attack course. So we want this car to be fast and nimble and take these corners at a high velocity. That's what we're after, all while being a semi-streetable car. Just like a Lamborghini, they're very capable on the course, the road course. So that's what we're after, and they're semi-comfortable vehicles to ride in. No, actually, the new ones are very comfortable to ride in. So that's what we're seeking to accomplish. It's a tall order to live up to, but I think we could do it here. So it's gonna be a lot of heavy fabrication. So tune in if you like that. So this first episode is just going to be focused on where our mindset is and what we intend to do with the build. Hope you guys enjoy it. And as always, if we've earned those like buttons, if we earn a subscription, go ahead. Please go ahead and hit those buttons. We would greatly appreciate it. So go ahead and hit all those buttons, but only if we earn it. So here's the episode.
Selfie.
This is a CRX that we're gonna be building. We started with that one, but that one's a piece of shit.
Well, today you're in for a treat. Zoom in. Look at that guy. This little buddy came to visit. He's been here for the weekend.
He came here for the weekend.
I hadn't seen this guy in years.
Why are you fondling your breast?
I didn't know you were before. Lower ribs.
So what are we gonna be doing? Give us a rundown of what your anticipations are for this new vehicle, and what? Yeah. So yeah.
What? The anticipations. Well,
what do you plan on doing? See, I'm gonna pan around.
Okay, good. Cause I like to stare off into the distance like I'm super interested.
So tell us, as you stare into the distance, tell us what's in store for this new CRX.
Well, in my dreams.
In my dreams.
The vision that came to me was.
So are you gonna wear this camera on your forehead?
Was that the plan? You're in the picture. Was that really the plan?
I'm gonna have you wear that camera on your forehead as we do the work, so people get a real in-depth look at what's going on.
Oh, I thought you said death look. So that was my death glare. This white one is also mine, or was mine, and this one I drove for about 10 years. Had a V16 in it. Had a early 90s cable 5-speed transmission on it. Really fun car. We did a lot of work to it. And then
He spun a bearing.
I spun a bearing. And then
What an idiot.
So I spun a bearing. We hauled it up.
Good for him.
And we picked up V18. Oh, yeah, and we are going to do coil unplug. It is going to have AC in it as well. So, it's going to have the best, best comforts, because I'm going to be able to be on the freeway and not be hitting boost at, I can drive 70, 75 miles an hour and not hit boost, so the gas mileage should be pretty decent, depending on the tune and how far we go.
I don't know. Should we go E85?
No. Be somewhere within the 300 range.
Shut me down. No more changes.
No. We're keeping it pumped. Probably 93, 91, 93. We're going with a Evo 10 Turbo. Those
Custom built manifold, custom built charge piping. Intercooler is for an S2000.
Yeah. Treadstone.
Is it Treadstone?
Yeah.
Treadstone in it?
Yeah, Treadstone, sorry.
Yeah.
Treadstone.
So what?
The original plan was to put that block, that engine,
into this guy. We built a roll cage in it, but then we kind of abandoned him because it's kind of crashed.
Yeah. Later on, he just tells me, you know what, this car has too many body issues, so we probably don't want to work on this one. And then he found this one, and 300. I put up 300, and then I paid him back. So it just made more sense to go all out. Well, I mean, it was supposed to be a budget build.
But then, you know, as you can see, I don't like to do things on a, I don't know how you, on a normal level, I guess you would say. So I said, you know what? Let's go all out on this.
I'm a teacher, so I'm on a limited budget. He does pretty well for himself, so his vision.
It's completely out of his.
It's reality. Out of yeah.
Completely out of his reality. Basically, my envision of this thing is going to be a daily driver, right? But is that also capable? Yeah, it's extremely capable. But it's actually a Lambo killer. You know, that's where I'm going with it. But it has the comforts of a daily driver.
Yeah.
Is that somewhere along the lines you think we're going? Well, that's where I want to take it. I mean, well, at this point, Tommy doesn't have a choice, but that's where it's going.
Yeah, I mean, the parts kind of tell the story. I had envisioned it I don't know about a Lambo killer, because I had envisioned it as, you know, a daily driver with 300 horsepower to the wheels, something that will get up and go and be super reliable, and something that I could take to the track and have a lot of fun with, which his vision is all that and then some. So, I mean, am I really going to complain about it? No. So I'm okay with it. It's going to take longer than what I had anticipated.
So just to clarify, when I say Lambo killer, I don't just anticipate in a straight line, right? Because the various people can build a car that's capable of going fast in a straight line. Right? Can you build a car that can go fast in a straight line and also handle the curves? That's where it really matters, right? That's when the car really becomes fun. So that's where I anticipate. He's going to be up there handling. Now this is where handling Lambos, Evos, Subarus, all these all-wheel drive vehicles. I don't know. I'm a little exaggerated in terms of handling, but definitely keeping up with the, you know, like the S5s, right, or the S3, that new Audi S3. That's where I really get into it. There's gonna be some custom fabrication on my end. There's also some bolt-on parts. Should we get to the list?
Oh yeah, let's go to the list. It's very animated.
So here is our list. Our little dry erase board. As you can see, the front end has a lot of work to do. What do we say? Unboxing the rear T-bracket, adding some structural integrity to it, just some aesthetics. So we assembled a subframe. So that includes the rack and pinion, the sway bar, and we can install that. So that way we can then prep the engine bay, then we can install the motor, and then we can install the radiator, the condenser, the fans, the intercooler, all that jazz. And then I could fabricate traction bars. And I could also fabricate the strut tow bars to the front. And then I could get, after all that's said and done, I think I could start fabricating the turbo manifold and fabricating charge piping. Finish building the trailing arms, you know, paint them, restore them, all that jazz, install the rear sway bar. There might be some fabrication here. I'm pretty sure there's going to be, I might tie everything in, so that everything ties into the roll cage, into the strut towers, and yeah. Then we can install the lower control arms.
Very articulate. Wow.
Yeah. Yep. Because yeah. So yeah. And then then we're gonna install the rear coilovers. Anyways, all right. So we get to work.
Yeah.
Let's
High five.